Assalamu alaikum pre-9 class, subject computer science. Hope you are all fine. Unit number 1, problem solving. Students, in the previous lecture we have studied about selecting the best solution. Now today we are going to start our next topic, that is 1.2 flowcharts, and it's on page number 6. Flowcharts are helpful to know about the steps used to solve a problem. In the following, we discuss the concept of flowcharts in detail. 1.2.1 Definition. A flowchart is a graphical presentation of the steps to solve a problem. We use symbols for each step, and these symbols are connected with the help of arrows to show the flow of processing. Students, a flowchart is a graphical or symbolic representation of a process. Each step in the process is represented by a different symbol and contain a short description of the process step. The flowchart symbols are linked together with arrows showing the process flow direction. Figure 1.6 shows a flowchart for the simple problem of wearing shoes with socks. It shows that not only the steps are important, but also the order to complete a process. A flowchart is used to visually communicate the steps in a process. Students, in the figure 1.6 you can see here we have a flowchart for the simple problem of wearing shoes. First it is start, then take shoes and socks. Wear socks, wear shoes, then it will stop. As you can see, these symbols are connected with the arrows. This is the problem of wearing shoes with socks, and this is the flow chart of it. Remember students, a flow chart is a diagram that depicts a process, system or computer algorithm. They are widely used in multiple fields to document, study, plan, improve and communicate often complex processes in clear, easy to understand diagrams. Now the next topic, 1.2.2, importance of flowcharts in problem solving. In problem solving, flowcharts can be used to plan a solution. If a flowchart is already there, we can quickly understand the way a problem is solved. It is more effective to visualize a solution graphically than a text. A graphical representation also makes it effective to verify whether a solution is correct or not. It is also a good way to communicate the solution of a problem to other people. Students, as you know, words pack a lot of power and are very important to how we communicate on a daily basis. Using words alone, you can brainstorm, organize data, identify problems, and come up with possible solutions. The way you write your ideas may make sense to you, but it may not be easy for others to follow or understand. But when you use flowcharts, the information is easier to understand. You can see around the page quickly, gathering information more full, engaging your brain to find patterns and make sense of the data. It shows clearly what happens at each stage and how this affects other decisions and actions. So, it is also a very good way to communicate the solution of a problem to other people. So, students, in today's lecture, we have learned about the flow charts. How can we use the flow charts? And what is the importance of flow charts in problem solving? You have to learn page number 6 half and page number 7 half of unit number 1. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.